everybody, it's me, Jonas. As you might know, things are pretty bad here with the weather conditions right now. It's the 1st of March and everything is covered with snow, and it seems like Scottish people or British people overall are not prepared for this. I'm kind of on an endeavour to get to Edinburgh this weekend. All the buses and trains were cancelled yesterday. I will go to the train station and try and get a train today. I will try my luck and hope that everything goes well. So, I'm walking down Sauchiehall Street and I kind of wish I had skis because, as you can see, there's snow everywhere. Yeah, so I think with skis I'd just be a whole lot faster. But oh well, I'm walking. So I'm in the Queen Street train station now. They did sell me a ticket, which means that I'm pretty sure I'm going to Edinburgh today. I hope there are no last minute cancellations, but yeah, there are trains. As you can hear, they are running, so this should happen. It's 10:55 right now. I've just been told that there won't be any trains running until 12 o'clock, and it's not even sure if they will run then, so I'm definitely gonna have to wait here for another hour. But I'm not gonna give up hope just yet. They just announced that passengers wishing to go to Edinburgh only should head to platform 6, so that's where I'm going right now. There's a lot of people who want the same thing. So, here we are. Yes, please. So they've announced that they've got trains running at the moment, testing the tracks to see if they're safe. If that is the case, we should be good to go. It's really up to the people driving those trains now.
We do hope this will be the 12 o'clock service to Edinburgh Waverley. Once again, once confirmation the test train has run safely, then we hope to run this service to Edinburgh at 12 o'clock.
It's 11:59 now, still no announcements. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. I really hope the train is still going. Yeah.
This is Outwest ScotRail Control. This service, we hope, will be travelling within the next hour. Again, we're still waiting on the test train arriving from Edinburgh.
Within the next hour, that's great. We've waited an hour already, and it might take another hour, whatever that means. So, yeah. I've been at the station here for 2 hours now. I'm, I guess by now, just excited for something to happen. It's very nice that the announcements are more and more positive.
This is the 1300 ScotRail service calling all stops to Edinburgh Waverley.
I'm here in Edinburgh now. Let's go.